This is WCPO 9 News.
Thanks for joining us for WCPO 9 News. I'm Tanya O'Rourke. Here's a look at some of today's top stories.
What do our kids need? Buses! When do they need it? Now!
The president of the American Federation of Teachers joined others Thursday night to protest changes to CPS school bus plans. School routes and regular routes are being merged. Metro says that will lead to better service for students, but the CPS school board disagrees and says the new system will lead to chaos. CPS and SORTA met earlier this week to see if the extra routes meant just for CPS students could be restored. SORTA, which runs Metro, says nope, blaming a shortage of bus drivers and a lack of time before school begins. Masks will now be required in public schools across the Commonwealth for up to 270 days. The Kentucky Board of Education unanimously approved the emergency regulation Thursday. Kentucky's education commissioner says he stands strongly behind the board's decision. He says it doesn't have to last the full 270 days. A new study in the American Journal of Medicine is showing the impact of Ohio's Vax-A-Million incentive program. It found the program compelled more than 100,000 additional Ohioans to get vaccinated at a cost of about $49 for each of those shots in the arm. Now, that study contradicts one from Boston University School of Medicine last month, which suggested the incentive was not associated with increased vaccination rates in Ohio. The Buckeye State is also seeing an increase in the number of people on Medicaid getting vaccinated. Within the past week, the state saw a 49% increase in new vaccinations. Leaders cite $100 gift cards and renewed collaboration between healthcare providers, pharmacies, and managed care organizations as factors in the push.
Hey everybody, so we are talking about some upper 80s, some low 90s for our highs for Friday, so just slightly below Thursday, but we also have better chances of rain in the forecast starting off for Friday morning. That quickly breaks up. We'll get a little bit more for the middle of the day and then more for the evening. We'll start to see that push through, and behind that will be some much cooler air just in time for the weekend. Temperatures for the weekend will be in the low to mid 80s for us and more rain chances next week.